Så er det lykkedes for Herlev Eagles til at få fat i Aalborgs Colin Greening. And Colin, you just arrived here and been playing around 4 matches for Aalborg. And I was wondering, what do you think of the level of the Danish league compared to what you used to play in the NHL?
Very surprised with the skill and speed of the Danish players. I didn't really know what to expect when I came here, but Peter Regan, my teammate in Ottawa, he gave me a little bit of synopsis on the teams and everything like that, and I'm very surprised so far. They play on a big ice surface, so it's a lot of room out there. Sometimes I get a little winded, and but overall, like I said, I'm very, very surprised with the speed and skill, and I think they deserve a lot of credit, or they deserve a lot more credit than I think they're getting out on the press.
What about the ring? A simple thing. You used to play in a smaller ring over there.
Yeah, it's definitely different. On a smaller rink, when you make a move in the corner, you have less time to get to the net, and there's less room to get to the net. So there's sometimes like the timing's off. I know for the first game that I was here, I found when I made a move in the corner, I always had a couple more steps that I had to make just to get to the net, and there's a lot more room to cover when you're playing defense. Things like that is you just have to get accustomed to.
Okay, but today, a tight game. I thought that you might be the goal-winning score when you hit that 4-3 goal.
Yeah, unfortunately, we let up that last goal to make it 4-4, but that's hockey, and to be honest, it was a good shot by them, rebound off the goalie, and I believe it was number 8 on their team came in and buried the rebound. So, it was hard work on their behalf. I did really try to get that final goal in overtime, but we had Svensson be able to get us to overtime, the shootout goal for us.
So you're used to playing 3 games a week. When we have American players,
3 or 4, yeah.
Yeah, when we have American players over here, they used to say that they can't get in the rhythm because they don't play so many games here. We don't play as much in the NHL. Can you get into a good rhythm, do you think?
I hope so. I know that we have the national team break here, and to be honest, this is something I think I need. Ever since I got over here, I've had quite a bit of jet lag. I've never been over Europe before, and so it was a whole new experience, and it was a whole new experience on my body. And so I'm looking forward to taking a couple of days off here and just relaxing, and then when we getting back to work. And when you look at our schedule coming up now after the national team break, we play 3 games per week. So we play Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, Tuesday, I believe Friday, Sunday, and that's very similar to the NHL. So that'll be a good rhythm for me to get into, and then hopefully be able to get my body accustomed to the league.
And hopefully the NHL lockout will last for a few months, so we can keep you here. Thank you for participating.
Thank you.